Hello and welcome to Security on Screen. My name is Peter Mawson and today I'm delighted to introduce you to Brian Honan, Chief Executive Officer at Fortus. Brian has over 20 years of experience in the security distribution industry and currently oversees all divisions of the Fortus Group across Ireland, England and Scotland. Brian, it's a pleasure to welcome you back to Security on Screen. Thank you for joining us.
Hello, Peter. I'm delighted to be here.
Brian, I wanted to just understand if we're seeing a changing of the guard in the security market right now.
There is a distinct change in the guard with the onset of IP across all facets, the four facets we look after, which is CCTV, fire, intruder, and access. There definitely is. And also there's a sea change happening in the integration and integrator market as well, where we're seeing the older generation move out, bringing analog with them, and the younger generation coming in with bringing IP with them. So we're definitely seeing a sea change in that facet. With regards to the distribution market, I suppose you could look at us coming in and grouping together some of the older distribution companies and modernising them and making new offerings. Is that a changing of the guard? I believe it is, because we've a different approach. We're not going to engage in the box shifting mentality of the market, because we see downward spiraling prices across distributors, manufacturers, and then into integrators is a bad thing for the industry. So we're trying to add more value to the chain, create more stickiness with our customers. Therefore, price becomes less of an issue with them, and they're more interested in what the services and offerings we can do as a business to make them stronger, Peter.
Thanks, Brian. It's good to understand that. And your end-to-end approach, this holistic solution that you're offering, seems to be making sense for your customers from what I'm seeing and hearing in the marketplace. It's good to get your take on that and to understand how you're differing in your approach. Thanks, Brian. We appreciate your time today on Security on Screen.
Thanks, Peter.